A19 PRO GPS Drone 8K camera, 4.5, display controller, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the A19 PRO GPS Drone, a compact yet powerful flying machine built for professional-level photography, smooth FPV flying, and intelligent control. Equipped with an 8K high-resolution camera, brushless motors, GPS and optical flow positioning, and a built-in 4.5-inch screen remote. This drone offers the perfect blend of innovation and performance for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Forget connecting your phone. Fly directly from the screen remote, and enjoy a fully immersive, low-latency FPV experience with no setup hassle. Built-in 4.5-inch screen remote, no phone needed. Eliminate app downloads and Bluetooth pairing. Real-time image transmission directly to the large color display on the remote. Low latency, intuitive viewing, and more immersive piloting. Perfect for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, or those flying without mobile access. 8K HD professional camera, capture every detail. Snap stunning photos and ultra-clear video footage with the 8K high-definition front camera. Electrically adjustable 90 degrees lens lets you shoot from multiple angles on demand. Supports Photo Plus video recording and saves footage in real time. Ideal for aerial photographers, content creators, and social media users. GPS plus optical flow equals ultra-stable, smart flight. GPS positioning enables precise one-key return, auto return on low battery or signal loss. Optical flow hovering. A bottom-positioned lens keeps the drone stable while flying indoors or at low altitudes, even without GPS. View your drone's live location via mobile map, so you always know where it is. Full surround obstacle avoidance system. Activate intelligent obstacle detection in complex or crowded environments. The drone automatically senses and avoids obstacles in its path to prevent collisions. Great for beginner pilots or those flying in tight spaces. Brushless motors. Power meets efficiency. High-performance brushless motor system ensures quieter flights, longer motor life, strong wind resistance, smooth control and precision, intelligent flight features, trajectory flight. Draw a custom route on the app and watch your drone follow it. One-key takeoff, landing, fly with ease, altitude hold, rock steady hover, headless mode, perfect for beginners, colorful breathing lights, stylish LED lighting on all four arms for epic night flights. Flight specs. Flight time approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Control range up to 800 to 1000 meters. Battery type modular rechargeable LiPo. Charging time approximately 90 to 120 minutes. Foldable design easy to carry and store. Drone weight lightweight, under 250 grams in most cases. What's in the box? One A19 PRO drone. One 4.5-inch display remote controller. One modular battery. One USB charging cable. One screwdriver. 4 spare propellers. One user manual. Why choose the A19 PRO? 8K high-definition imaging for pro-quality shots. Built-in FPV screen. No app, no delay. GPS plus optical flow for reliable stability. Intelligent obstacle avoidance keeps your flights safe. Great gift idea for drone lovers, travelers, and tech enthusiasts. Easy enough for beginners, powerful enough for veterans.